to do this like a whole week ago, but I couldn't. So here I am, better late than never. If you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. So I'm starting off with prepping my skin, and I'm using Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream and Farsali's Priming Serum. Then I applied It Cosmetics CC Cream with SPF 40 in it, and this is the shade Medium Tan. And of course, we can't forget the neck area. Onto the brows, and I'm using Anastasia Dipbrow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown. Just cleaning up my eyebrows a little bit with Fenty Beauty Concealer in shade Sand. Next up, I'm setting my brows with Anastasia Brow Gel. Alright, so we're going in with the lightest transition shade from Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette. For my crease, I'm applying the shade Vava Voom from Morphe Night Master palette and just blending it out. Going back in my Huda Beauty palette, I'm picking up this brown shade and applying it to my outer corners and also in the crease. I'm also picking up the darker brown shade and applying that to my crease. To deepen that crease a little bit, I'm applying this maroon shade and just blending it all together. Taking a little bit of my MAC concealer, and I'm making a cut crease. So the trick here is to apply the concealer only on lower part of your lid, and then you want to look up, and wherever the concealer would transfer to, you'll just connect the dots and fill it all in. And I like to apply my shimmers with my fingers, so I'm picking up the color Creativity and packing it onto my lid. I'm applying that MAC concealer just to clean up this look a little bit. For my contour, I'm using Cover FX Cover Click and just using teeny tiny amount on my brush to carve out my cheekbones, jawline, and nose. I'm going to use Huda Beauty Loose Setting Powder to set this face and also just blend everything all together. So I could just leave it like that and it would be perfectly fine, but I wanted to make a wing, so I'm going in with my Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner, and I'm also going to make a inner corner thingy. I don't know what you call that. I'm applying the same colors that I did on my crease on my lower lash line as well. For my blush, I'm using the Hourglass one here, and I just like to use a finger. It just gives a very natural finish. Going back in my Huda Beauty palette, I'm intensifying the lid and the lower lash line with the gold shimmer shade. For my lips, I'm using NYX Matte Lip Liner in the shade Whipped Caviar. and the Morphe liquid lipstick in the shade Jealousy. I don't think any of you fully understand how much I love this. Ooh, okay, so we're gonna mix like 2, 3 together. 1, 4, 3, Glow Getter for sure, and Forever Young, okay? Oh my god. That's it, you guys. This is the final look. If you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.